my channel. I got this sweater. I'm thinking rimmed hat, like a hat for me, and leg warmers. I'm gonna go through the different shapes I cut out of my material at the end. We're going to start with the beak, and we attach the interfacing to the material by stitching rows next to each other. When it's time to stitch the material to the lining, do not stitch the interfacing, just stitch right beside the interfacing. This will allow for less bulk. Pin it so the outer material is showing more than the inner material and stitch it down. To attach the beak, first attach the lining to it and then attach the sweater material. Make the band into a band by opening it flat and stitching the ends together. Time to sew the crown or cap, and we have 5 triangle pieces, so it's going to be 5 seams going to one point. It's very important to stop half an inch before the end of the triangle, and you'll get that nice seams all going into the center. Sew your pieces for the lining together too, but leave a hole so we can flip it right side out later. Sew each cap to the band separately, then flip it right side out. We're finished! To make the leg warmers, take your square that we cut out earlier and fold it in half and sew along the side. Then take the cuff and sew it along the raw edge side. So now that you've seen the finished result, it's time to tell you the pieces I used. 5 triangle pieces of the sweater fabric and lining, 2 long rectangles 22 inches long by 3 inches, and 3 beak shapes, 1 of each of the materials and then 1 of thick interfacing. 2 large squares big enough to fit around your leg each, and the cuffs. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave me a comment and subscribe!